on, everyone? Got a 2021 Chevy Colorado here. This is the work truck. Today we're going to replace the battery in the remote fob, and I'll let you know what size battery you're going to need. Okay, so what we're going to do is split the remote in half. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver. I like to go after this corner right here. We're just wiggle it in. We're going to put it in there. We're going to have to kind of go a little far in there because this remote is a little bit finicky as far as just splitting it. As soon as you push it in there, it'll kind of crack and pop like that, and then you can just lift it, do both sides like that, go in, and pop it open. That's all you're going to do is just pop it open. Just be careful. And then we can take the cover off. All right, so yeah, you're really going to have to work on prying it out and sliding it out. It's a little bit of a pain in the rear, so it's not easy. But it will come out. Okay. Alright, get a new battery. Alright, so your new battery, the size is going to be a CR2032. Has a plus sign here. That one's going to be face down. And we stick it in the remote. Just going to slide it in there best we can. And good to go. Then put the remote back together. Just pop this back together like that, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. Appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.